Hello everyone, welcome. Right, today I'm going to be doing meatballs. I know you can make your own, but I thought it was just as easy to buy them. On a sub. The only problem is I've only got little sub rolls. What they'll have to do today. With some cheese, some tomatoes. I'm going to do it in the air fryer. Got a little bit of salt and pepper and just a drop of oil as well. So let's get started. I'll get your meatballs, put them in a bowl. I put 6 in, I think. 2, 4, 6, yeah. Just a drop of oil. And get your salt and pepper in. Just pile it in. Now give it a mix. Well, they're all done now. Just get them in your air fryer. I've put 4 at the bottom of mine. Let's get them in the air fryer. Right, let's stick them in the air fryer now. Let's turn it on. 180 degrees, and I'm going to do it for 12 minutes. Turn halfway through. Right, while that's cooking away, get yourself a tomato. Chop yourself some slices. Next, get yourself a bun, or a roll, or a sub bun. They're only small, these ones, which is a shame. Lovely. Do 2 of them. Don't worry about the tomatoes on your chopping board. It's all for the taste. Then you want to get yourself some cheese. Put yourself a cheese on. Put yourself a couple of slices of tomatoes. Right, they should be done now. There we go. Lovely. Right, I put myself my bun. Just up that on some foil. Chop these in half. Smell lovely. Put a couple on. Wrap your bun. Right, stick them in the air fryer. Put it in the air fryer. Get it in. Then 1 minute. There we go. Lovely, gooey. There we go. Gooey, cheesy, tomatoey. Stick some mayo in after. All done. Thanks for watching.